Melty? Stretchy? Gooey? What's your favorite style of grilled cheese? There's no wrong answer, but just make sure you're choosing the right cheese to meet your needs. There are 4 pillars of cheese: protein, acid, fat, and water. Depending on the ratio of these pillars, different cheeses will react differently to heat. If you're looking for a high quality cheese pull, you want a cheese that has a little bit more of the protein ratio. So think about Havarti, Gouda, mozzarella, Gruyere. For those looking for a good melting cheese, higher fat is where it's at. So think about Taleggio or cheddar, something like raclette, or the cheese we all hate to love, American. For a grilled cheese lava sandwich, might I recommend some, let's just call them cheese-like products. So you're thinking Velveeta, Cheese Whiz, maybe some cheese queso dip. Add a little heat to these, and you've got a puddle of liquid yellow sin. But don't hesitate to mix things up a little bit. For moi, I like a little bit of stretch and a lot of melt. So I'll do something like Fontina, Gruyere, and American. Thanks for watching. I'm Allie, and don't forget to subscribe to Lifehacker for some more food tips and tricks like this one.